Keen, we think the most sustainable shoe is the one you keep wearing. So today, we'll cover how to replace bungee laces on your Keen shoes. Replacing worn laces or switching up the colors will keep your favorite shoes in rotation. Here's how to do it. First off, grab some shoes. We're using the original Keen, the Newport, but virtually any Keen shoe will do. Next, you'll need a Keen lace kit with bungee cord, slide locks, joint guides, and joint caps. Find kits online or in store at a Keen garage. They can even replace them for you for free. Lastly, you'll need a pair of pliers, scissors, and a flathead screwdriver. First, remove your old laces and hardware using the flathead screwdriver to unlock the joint cap. Measure your new bungee cord against the old one. It doesn't need to be exact, but make sure it's that right length so you get that perfect snug fit. When you cut the laces, the ends may fray. You can use a lighter or match to seal them. Now, let's lace up the shoe. Now that it's laced up, we're gonna move to the hardware. You'll want to thread the new bungee cord through the slide locks to start. A little pro tip, take your pliers to help pinch that lock down. Then you take your joint guide and slide that over the laces. Take the cap and clip the bungee laces into the hooks. Once in, make sure it lays flat and push the joint guide up as far as you can and seal it with your pliers until you feel a click. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced your bungee laces. Keen shoes are consciously created for less impact on the planet, and by taking care of them, you're playing a big part in that. Thanks for stepping lighter with us. Want to learn more about how your footwear can make a difference? Visit our Keen Impact page online. See you out there.